Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about the Object Manager, and the Object Manager is under Windows Docker's Object Manager, and you can see I've got it checked because I've already got it on. It's a very useful tool, but I found it to be a little bit more useful today because I had inadvertently had something turned on that I never had turned on before. So you see I've got a black rectangle and it highlights the black rectangle, and then I've got a red rectangle. Well, all these look the same, but right here, if you go to show object properties, it gives you a lot more information. 3 of these are hairline. This one right here is a red box, but it's not a hairline. So if you have this checked right here, object show properties, it gives you a lot more information. Now, I guess I've always had this turned off because it's hard to move them around because you've got all that information. Sometimes it's in the way. Now, while I've got you interested in the Object Manager, I've got a bunch of guidelines there. I just inadvertently put them in there, and you can always go to view and turn the guidelines off. But if you don't want to do that and you've already got your Object Manager open, right here, guidelines, all pages, you can click the eyeball to hide them. If you're tired of looking at them, and you're just right here and you can turn them back on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.